Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So first you just have to go to any web browser and search for Vencord. This is what it looks like. So tap the very first one here, the very first link that you can see. And then what you're going to do is to click this download Vencord. Now you have your choice if you're using Windows or other laptop or other brand of laptop here. But for me, it's Windows. So I have to click this one. And then you will see above that it is now starting to download. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is downloading. Once done, you have to go to download, open that one, and then you have to run this as administrator. So once you go to download folder, you have to locate this. Right click, tap run as administrator, and you will see this. So what you're going to do is to read the following and then click install. So once you tap this install button, and then you will be notified that VinCord has been added to your Discord. So you have to make sure also that your Discord is running on your desktop or laptop or computer. So it's successfully patched. Now what you're going to do here is you have to open your Discord. And then at this time, you have to go to user settings and you have to see if this event cord has been added. So let me go to the search icon first, the search bar, and then look for my Discord. Okay, so tap open and then go to user settings. Now the next thing to do here is you have to scroll down. Now you have to locate VinCord. Below, you can see here plugins. So VinCord has been added to your Discord. Now click plugins, and then here you have to go to the search bar and then type voice. Then you will see this a voice messages right here. And all you have to do is to toggle this one on. And that's it. Done. Now tap X. Locate a specific conversation here. For example, this one. Okay. Tap this plus icon. Tap the send voice message. And then start recording or upload a file. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.